You throwing the birds some bread? Here, throw them some bread. Throw the birds some bread. Throw it to the birds. Are you eating it? That bread is for the birds. There's a whole bunch of them out this morning. Are we feeding the birdies? Are we feeding the birdies? Oh, did you just pick that up off the ground and eat it? Oh, Madeline. You know. What do you think of all those birds? You saying hi?
Hi.
Say hi, bird. Hi, bird. Do you like the birds? There's a whole lot of them, huh? Yeah, there's a whole lot of them. Let's see. I'm gonna sit on Mama's lap and watch the birds. Here we go. Whoops. Oh.
Hey.
You saying hi to the birds? Say hi, birds. Hi, birds. Hi, birds.